I got a new string trimmer to share today. This one is super easy to put together. You've got to screw this piece on and this piece on, and it's assembled. It does come, oh, you do have to put the guard thing on as well, and this wheel thing, but that's pretty simple. And as for the head, it's really easy to adjust it. All you got to do is press this little knob here, and you can adjust the angle of the head that you like. You could also put this wheel thing up over here, so you can do the side, or you can make it like a mower, and I'll show that here in a moment when I use the feature. You also do have your handle here, which is also adjustable. And you have a button up here that allows you to rotate this, so like you could do your edging. You got your safety button, your on off, and of course your battery. Now this one is a 20-volt system, and it does include 2 batteries, which are 2,000 milliamp hours. You also do get a bag of heads of string, so you got plenty of string to last you a little bit. And then of course you do get the charger. I don't have the charger with me. It's just a little 20-volt power brick that you plug into an outlet on the battery itself. All right, let's go tackle some weeds and I'll show you how well it works. Now I'm still working on grading and getting grass planted soon. So we're just gonna test this on random grass and weeds. And we got some berry vines popping up all over the place. Also, I mentioned that the wheel down here, you could use it kind of as a lawnmower. So you could just rest it on the wheels and go back and forth with it, which I think they advertise it that way. And like I mentioned, you could also take these wheels and you can attach them, and now you can use this as an edger. I don't have much for edging right now, so let's see. But you get the idea. You can use this to do some edging. I want to take this over to where there's a, oh, got it. I'm gonna take this over to where there's a little bit more to show you. We can go after some of this stuff here. I'm trying to think how much time, 2:04 now. I'm curious how long you can get off of one of these batteries. Some thicker stuff here. We got a lot of berry vines. And it does have enough power to do this thicker stuff. Like, I don't even know what kind of weed this is, but it's super thick and large. We also got berry vines in here. We got ferns and stuff. All right, battery is still full. Hey, that's not too bad so far. And it still shows full power. Huh, I wonder how much this will actually do. It's still full. we're still at full bars. The battery life on this thing is great. Now I can't trim all day long just to test the battery life, but I'm gonna say the battery life on this thing is pretty awesome. It did all of this so far, hasn't even lost 1 bar. We still have a second battery. Now it's not super powerful, so it's not going to tackle like some of these vines, these bigger vines. It did okay on like the smaller vines that are sprouting up, those bigger weeds and stuff. And for like normal household trimming and edging and stuff, this is gonna be great. Hopefully the audio is okay. We got another storm coming in that's supposed to hit late tonight or early morning. But if you're looking for a decent trimmer to use around your house, it's cordless, lightweight, 2 batteries, long lasting batteries. We haven't even done 1 bar on 1 battery. So great, great battery life. It comes with a lot of extra string, so you are set for a while. But definitely check this out if you're looking for something that's simple and will work really well around your home. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.